Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to online class. A Kalaiva. Shall we start the lesson children? Class 4. Subject is science. Topic plants preparing and storing food. Let's we start the lesson children. See. Today we are going to see the topic is some plants, some unusual plants. See, some unusual plants. See, what does the topic means unusual plants? See, uh, from the beginning we saw this lesson. All the plants are in green in color because of chlorophyll pigment is there, so they can prepare the food that own. Isn't it? This is the content we are seeing from the beginning itself. But this topic is some unusual plants. What is some unusual plant? See, apart from the green plant, some plants having they are modified. The part of the plants are modified based on their living place. That thing. Second one, all the plants are not in green color. Some plants are some other colors also is there. That is the some unusual plants. Some unusual plants means all the we saw from the beginning. Plants are green in color. They have chlorophyll, so they can prepare the food. This is the usual plants. Unusual plants means plants. Some plant part of the plants modified depend on their depend on their living place. One thing. Second thing, some plants are looking in colorless, in some other are in some other colors. For example, red color, yellow color, like that. Okay, why these plants alone looking like this color? This is the topic, the unusual plants. Okay, let's see. First, we are going to see about cactus. What is cactus? Cactus is we are saying it is a desert plant. Desert means very low rainfall places, very dry places called the desert. We know that about desert, no? See, in this desert, some plants are growing. The best example is cactus. See, this cactus. What is the difference of this cactus? What is the if it is called the unusual plants? It is also looking. It has a leaf. It has some thorns there. It is usual. We are thinking it is usual, but see clearly, it is not usual. Why it is not usual? See, we are thinking the plant is looking this cactus having the leaf. No, actually, the leaf is not a leaf. That is a stem part. The plant stem is modified like a leaf. Clear? It is not a leaf. The stem modified as a leaf. Okay. Oh, okay. A stem was modified like a leaf. Where is the leaf? The leaves are modified like a thorn. Thorn is there, no? The mull. That is the thorn. Okay. So that's why it is called the unusual plants. Clear? Usually a plant having one stem part, leaf, root part is there, and then they having flower like that, etc. We can say. But this actually it looking a leaf, it is not actually leaf, it is a stem part of the cactus. The stem modified like a leaf structure, the leaf modified into a thorn structure. Why it is modified like this means already I told cactus are living in desert place. Desert means the very low rainfall, they cannot get the enough water. So they want to store the water in their body, as well as they do not want to see loss of water. That's why they are modified like this. See, for example, if the leaf is there means the leaf having stomata, the stomata during the photosynthesis they loses the water, no, they are like a transpiration process. So they modify the thorn means the respiration process is the stopped there. So they lost. This is the one of the way to lose their water content. See, Next, the stem is there. I don't know the leaf-like structure is the stem. The stem is very thick and fleshy. Thick, fleshy. It is very thick, no. So it cannot dry. It never dry in the hot place. Okay. This is the reason they are modified as a stem. Okay. Stem leaf is not there. So stem only is there. Then how can they prepare the food? I told leaf only can prepare the food. But leaf is not there. How they can prepare? Yeah. See, leaf is not there. I clear. Yeah, correct only. But you see that the stem like a leaf, no. That stem having chlorophyll pigment, so they can prepare the food. Isn't it? That's why it is called the unusual plants. Clear? Okay. Next topic is mushrooms. Mushrooms is also called a unusual plant. Why mushroom is called an unusual plant? See, first of all, what is mushroom? Where we can see the mushroom? Mushroom is a what is the umbrella like structure? No, we know very well. In during the rainy season, we can see the mushroom in wet places only, in moisture places. Okay. What is the color of the mushroom? Mushroom is a colorless. Why colorless means? They do not have chlorophyll. That's why these mushrooms are looking like why colorless. Isn't it? Okay. They are colorless. They didn't have chlorophyll. Then how they can prepare the food? See, they growing on moist place. Moist place means in waste materials. Always they are growing on waste material. Waste material means the cow dung, and then we are throwing the garbage, no garbage and dried tree parks, and then some other dead and decayed animals. Like that they can grow. So they cannot prepare the food. That's why they get the nutrients. They are getting directly nutrients from this dead and decayed matter. That's why that mushroom is called a unusual plant. Okay, next we can see same as mushrooms and molds. Mushroom and molds also called molds. Molds mean, see, we are buying some vegetables on bread. Bread is the best example. See, if you keep one bread piece, okay, keep add some drop of water and keep it aside 2 3 days. Okay, after the 3 or 4 days, you can see observe some black color fungus will be there. No, that black color patches will be there. No, that patches are the molds. If we are that actually that is a fungi. If you are seeing under the microscope means we can observe these like molds. See, this is the molds we can observe like this molds. Okay, these also they also didn't have the chlorophyll. The same like same mushrooms they also observing the nutrient from the host cell. See, then next one. Then final one is the croton. Crotons means money plants we are seeing now. We are having money plants. We can see money plants. This like crotons plants in some plants. Okay. We saw first of all the plants are green color. Why these plants are? What is the color of the croton? See there. What is the color? It does look like a red color or yellow colors. See, it is looking yellow colors and red colors. Why these plants alone is looking like this means, see, we saw that plants having chloroblast. That chloroblast having green pigment called chlorophyll. Isn't it? But that's why that trees and plants are looking green color. But this protons having this also having the green pigment. Apart from the green pigment, they having some other chloroplast pigment. For example, red color pigment and then yellow pigments, they are present there. This red pigment and yellow pigment dominating this green pigment. That's why we can see only the red substance and green substance. Certain. What is the red substance? Green pigment means chlorophyll. I told. See here, chlorophyll. If a green pigment, if the leaf looking like green color means the chlorophyll pigment is, lot of the chlorophyll pigment is there, so it is looking like a green color. But the croton is looking a red color and yellow color. Why they are looking red color yellow color means, I told the red pigment, instead of chlorophyll green pigment, red pigment, this red pigment dominated the green pigment, that's why it is looking like a red color. What is the red pigment means? Xanthoerythrin. Xanthoerythrin. Okay, xanthoerythrin is a, instead of chlorophyll, it is one of the chloroplast like a chlorophyll. Okay, that's why the xanthoerythrin is a red pigment. This pigment is present in this leaf. This red pigment dominated the chlorophyll, so these plants are looking like a red color or yellow color. Yellow color means xanthocyanin. Clear? Red pigment means xanthoerythrin. Yellow pigment means xanthocyanin. So these two pigments are there. That if the plant having red pigment xanthoerythrin, this leaf looking like red color. If the plant having yellow pigment means xanthocyanin means it is look like a yellow color. This is the reason that some plants alone in unusual, some plants are all looking in different colors. Okay, okay, they have red pigment. How they getting the proper food? They're getting the food, mushrooms and mold getting the food from the dead and decayed matter. No, but here this proton, how they getting food means, they having chlorophyll. This chlorophyll is dominated by red pigment, but the chlorophyll is there, no, so that chlorophyll help to prepare the food material. This is the way they are getting food. Are you clear, children? Okay, children, thank you. Let's we see the next class. Okay.